B-roll is the glue that binds your wedding films together.
It is the mucus that binds us.
It enhances the story, elevates the emotional impact, and adds that extra layer to help immerse your couple. Now, B-roll is nothing new. We know that we need B-roll to make our films interesting, but the secret lies in knowing which shot you should choose to craft a compelling story. So let's just start with understanding the role of B-roll in storytelling. B-roll is so much more than just filler footage. It adds context and depth to your story. It helps you establish the setting, highlight key details and context within your film, enhances the emotional impact, like I said before, and helps you bridge scenes to create seamless transitions from one point of the story to the next. Great B-roll complements the couple's story in a seamless way. For example, when you hear heartfelt vows from the couple, you don't want to pair shots of the details or the flowers or the venue. You really want to elevate this moment by showing moments of the couple. Whether that is old footage that they provided to you, iPhone, home videos, Super 8 footage that you captured on the wedding day, or just candid moments that you captured of the two of them on the wedding day can be really powerful. Choosing authentic moments over the fluff pieces are going to add so much more emotional weight and connect on a deeper level. So make sure your B-roll is complementing the dialogue so that you can make your films 10 times better. Which kind of goes along with number 3, and that's to match the mood. Telling a cohesive and immersive story is very difficult without B-roll. And the biggest thing you want to make sure that you're doing is matching the mood. So you want to pair emotional dialogue with emotional B-roll. And vice versa, you want to use upbeat moments from the day to correlate with the upbeat part of the wedding film. And once you have that down, you can go even further and enhance your film's B-roll by layering your audio. This could be ambient sounds from the day. It could be laughter from the bridal party. It could be ambient sounds from the trees, the water, the wind, anything from nature that helps build the atmosphere and connect us to what's unfolding on screen. And you don't want to be afraid of layering ambient audio underneath the main dialogue audio. All this is going to do is help add that extra depth and context to your film. And if you don't have any ambient audio to use, using a powerful song is just as good. Because more often than not, the biggest difference maker in making or breaking your film lies within the music that you choose. One song can change the entire mood of your film. Because music enhances emotion, emotion enhances authenticity, and authenticity is the golden ticket to creating a film that truly stands out. And that's why I use Musicbed, and it's the only platform that I would recommend to ditch the cookie cutter sounds and start creating films with authenticity, something that's cinematic and full of emotion. And by choosing Musicbed, you're choosing music that connects to your couple on a deeper level and helps you create so much more than your average wedding video. So if you're interested in checking out Musicbed, I do have a 14-day free trial down in the link below. Number 4 is to make a shot list. Oftentimes the wedding day can be so unpredictable that it feels inconsequential to even make one. But having a shot list is going to help you build confidence, stay focused, lessen that anxiety that often presents itself on the wedding day, and helps you build more effective scenes for your film. And the best approach that I've ever adopted for my workflow is the 4-shot system. Your shot list can be as simple and complex as you want it to be. But if you want to just keep things simple, just think wide, medium, close, and creative for every single moment on the wedding day, and then by the end of the day, you'll have more than enough footage, more than enough scenes to create something truly unique and immersive. Let's take the ceremony for example. Your wide can be a master wide of the entire ceremony, whether that's in the center or off to the left. And then you can have 2 medium or close-ups on the left and right side, capturing the intimacy between the bride and groom. And then for your 4th cam, this can be your creative camera, where you get guest reactions, you get inserts from the ceremony. Having a 4th creative camera is going to help you really add so many layers to this moment. And then rinse repeat for every moment on the wedding day, and you'll have more than enough B-roll to create a memorable and interesting wedding film. The best B-roll is really natural and unscripted moments. You want to prioritize reality over the fluff pieces, because details, yes, while they are important to some, they're not going to be as important as people and sound. And the more that you can focus on capturing those genuine and authentic moments, the better your films are going to be. And the best way to really capture those authentic moments is to, 1, be present. 2, keep the camera rolling. Even if you think the moment's done, generally that's where the magic is gonna happen once you stop recording. And then to just slow down. I know it's so easy when we're in the thick of it on the wedding day. And I had to take a deep breath there because I was starting to get a little PTSD. But sometimes we're just so rushed. We feel this sense of panic to just go from one place to the next, get the establishing shots, get the drone out, get all these things, make sure you're in there for getting ready moments, get the groom before he puts his tux on, just all the things that just kind of drive you nuts. So it's just best to just slow down on the wedding day and take a deep breath, be present, be patient. Honestly, being patient is probably the best tip because that's where you'll just let the moments naturally unfold and you'll be there to capture them because you're just waiting. You're just being present and patient. But last is, your B-roll doesn't have to be bland and boring. It can be as intricate and creative as your imagination allows. And the principles here will just help you develop that structure and a rhythm to the creative process. But the way that you compose your image and your B-roll is going to be truly unique to you and all your own. Whether you're using dynamic camera moves, using a gimbal, using a prime lens that helps you get that shallow, creamy depth of field, or using slow motion techniques to enhance the emotion from the day. Although I do recommend trying to limit your slow motion usage because 24 frames per second is just amazing once you just let that anxiety go and ditch 60 frames per second. That's a whole nother video. I think I've talked about that before. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll link it here. But yeah, let's make 24 frames per second great again. In the way you shape your lighting, just all of those things that really add to the layer and the complexity and the context to really make your B-roll the best it can be. So by using these techniques, you can transform your B-roll into a powerful storytelling tool that takes your film from cookie cutter to truly unforgettable. But that's it for me. If you liked today's video, drop a like, comment below. I'd love to hear from you guys. What's some specific challenges that you face with B-roll? What's some tips and tricks that you have for newbies out there? Either way, I'd love to hear from you. So until next time, keep creating and telling beautiful stories. Peace.
Nothing would be changed, 'cause I love you so, and I'm glad you